for people to see what was done, right? You can't show your results that well. So we do a Manhattan plot. So there's some information here on what it is, what HaploView is, and how it can be used. But what we're going to do is we're going to use it from the virtual machine. Right? So we will use the HaploView to visualize your genome-wide association analysis results from the .assoc file. So if you haven't already done it, copy the Java program from the shared directory to your home drive. So the program is haploview.jar. So it's in the shared files directory like all the other stuff. So just copy that over to your home directory. Everybody's doing that. Once you have done that, run the command line prompt you see on the screen, java space -jar space haploview.jar. Give it a moment, it will take a bit to like open on your computer.
I'll take a photo of your first. Let's get to
So and just like put your hand up or wave it once HaploView is actually open on your computer.
Is this to actually get them done?
Alright, back to this one.
So this has to be either 1, 2.
Okay, so I can already see that for many of the Macs, HaploView is not cooperating. So we will again look at use HaploView this afternoon. So I would encourage you who have Macs, who HaploView is not working, I would encourage you, at least one at every table, to log into your virtual machines using the PCs on the computer on the desk, and then you can use HaploView from there. Keep in mind, it's a virtual machine. So even though it's not your computer, all your files are still on your virtual machine, even if you're using the desktop for class. So for those who do have it working, from the menu that appears in the center of the Haplotype window, select Flink Format. So you'll see it down here on the screen at the bottom where it says Flink Format. From the left side, the search box name should change from data file to results file. In the HaploView menu, select the checkbox next to non-SNP. And then next to the results file box, select Browse. And then from the window that appears, select the file that you have that ends with .assoc. And then click open, and then click OK from the bottom of the menu. When you do that, you should see something like this. So have you already copied over that? So copy over have to do that jar shared file. Okay. So hopefully those windows are open. Once you do that, you should see numbers and headers appear in the middle of the HaplView page like you see here on the screen. From the lower left corner, you want to select plot. You can see it on the left side of the screen here. Select plot. And a new menu should appear. Okay. In that menu, you will see the screen as you can see on the screen now. You can leave the title blank if you want, or you can just title it case versus control. For the x-axis, you want to select index. You might have to scroll up to the bottom to find that. You want to leave the transformation box at default. For the y-axis, you want to select P, because we're charting the P values. And in the transformation menu, you want to select negative log. Negative log 10 to be exact. Do I need to repeat any of that? Bear with me, Mike. So x-axis is going to be the index. So x-axis is index, you'll have to scroll to the bottom of the list to get it. Leave the transformation box at default, and the y-index is select P, and then you want to use the transformation menu, select negative log 10. For the threshold 1, you want to put the number 5. This relates to the indicative significance, so suggested significance. And for threshold 2, you want to put the number 7. This relates to genome-wide significance by Bonferroni correction, which we will get into deep detail next week on. And then for the color key, you want to select chromosome, uncheck the show grid lines box. So uncheck the show grid lines, and then select OK. And you should see a Manhattan plot appear on the screen that looks like this.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They call me the real genomics fan.
That's what we missed. We missed that it's not untransformed, it's a minus log.
This is
And it's not really that.
oh my goodness gracious. What an idea.
What did you fill on this field again?
I can't open it because I'm using a Mac, so just kind of raises an error.
Have you tried uploading the HaplView to the virtual machine?
Yeah, no, it's on the virtual machine.
Oh.
It's not.
Okay, so for your consideration, what happens if you do not transform the p-value to the minus log 10? I can tell you the group behind you already knows that. Right? Because if you don't transform it, it's going to tell you, so you can rerun this again or like unclick the transform box. It won't transform it. If you don't transform it, you're looking for the lowest p-value, which means everything's going to be down at the bottom near 0, and it's very hard to distinguish where the peak is. Right? I'm actually gonna end it there for this morning, so you get a bit of an extended lunch. If you wanna, if you got this working fine and you feel confident